Hello everyone. You are welcome to WinFS trading platform. It has been a long time. Right now I'm going to be welcoming all of you. If you're new, please subscribe if you haven't done that, and turn on the bell notification to notify each time we upload a new video, and make sure you like, share and comment. That's how we grow to million subscribers. YouTube will push us to higher audience, and those guys, those people, those traders, we never forget it. So we need three indicators. We need one indicator here and one object, which is this horizontal line, and not much. Then you have to wait, watch this video to the end so that you see how the indicators are set up. And what we need to do now is we start by presenting how it works. So right now you have to check, like, what we need is only the lower half of the oscillator, please. The upper half is not needed. Like if you shake down, like if you go back, these are the upper half. Please stay away, just stay away from the upper half, please. Like something I have not told you, the time frame is 1 minute. The zoom level is second zoom level from the list. Please, I don't want to do that, but that is it. I don't want to show you, you're supposed to know, but let me just show you for those of you that are new to Boomcrash market. Just do like this. One, I have not done that. One, let's do it. We are going to do it together. One, yeah, and two, like, let's keep doing it. This is the last zoom level, so you have to zoom. One, you have to zoom like this. One, let me just one, that is it, and then over, this is over, this is one, and since it's over, I'm going to correct it. When I get back, I have done it right. You see, it is right now. So see how it works. We look for the lower half of the oscillator to enter the market. I tell you, this strategy is going to turn your $5 accounts to thousands of dollars. But remember to drop your testimony in our Telegram channel. Check the link, you will see our Telegram channel link. So let me take you to how it was. You have to wait. You see here, this horizontal line, are you seeing it? Their values is 20.8 and 23.03. Once you see these lines, whether red or green, you see they keep increasing in highs until they reach. You have to measure it. Make sure it's between 20 and 23 plus, like between 20 and 23 point something. So then once you started seeing this line reacting to these horizontal levels, okay, and there is a line of that, and it reached maximum, like they cannot, like at times it will cut through these horizontal lines, but once there is a maximum line forming, like once two lines are equal in length and the highest and the third line is lower, or when one of the line is the highest, like once there is change in direction, like it has reached the maximum point, and like a maximum line is this, and the next line is reducing in height, you buy two candlestick, you close your market. You see, if we buy here, we should have made a lot of money. You see, for this strategy to yield you money, you have to use one lot size. That means you need up to $50 account or $100 account for you to use one lot size. Please know that this is 100% accurate, I tell you, if you follow the rule. So that's good. You are going to reap Deriv company. you are going to, you'll be making money, but they don't know how to control it. They don't know how you are making the money, but you are making the money. So see another one. This one. These ones are fake signal, please. You see, they could not touch. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is another one. Like, you see, this is another one. They touch. At times they can pass through or cut it, as long as it's within like the line at least test or cross this horizontal line. Then you wait. You see, the line keep decreasing. Reach here. This one is highest. You see, let me show you. This one, this red line is highest. Then the next line is decreasing. So because the next line is now lower than the highest, you do what? You buy 2 candlestick, you escape. See, this is a rare buy signal. Forget this thing that happened here. It will not even reach you because you have closed here. Make sure you have strong network so that network will not be a problem. Okay, you see another one. This is another one. This is really working. This is another one. So if you test it, you will know it's really working. It reach here, stay constant here. Like this is the highest. Then the next one is lower. No matter how small the difference lie in high, is lower. So you buy 2 candlestick, you leave. Oh my god, this is crazy. We are going to produce another video. I'm going to shoot another video of how to buy, like how to buy directions, how to trade direction, whether buy or sell, like how to buy crash or sell boom with this same strategy and stay a little bit long, cash a lot of candles. But then I'm going to introduce additional rules. Okay, additional strategies. So that is good. Stay tuned to my channel to hear that. So let's go to crash 500. Is something, whatever that works in crash 500 really works, and whatever that works in crash 1000 will actually work in crash 500. So you can see they just move this. Please make sure it's at level 20, between level 20. Check level 20 here. Level 20. Level. Okay, we can use anything between level 20. From level 20 to 23 works. So you have to measure that, please. You have to measure that. Okay. Oh, you see, this is fake. These ones are fake. So you look for those points. Okay. We're getting to see these points. These are resistance level, but we have not gotten what we want between 20 and 23. This is 20. You have to set this on your chart. This is okay. See, when I said that, I'll get back. You see, this is between 20 and 23 point something. So how does this work? You wait as the candle is reducing, it will hit highest here. This is the highest. How do you confirm the highest? If a candle forms that is lower than the current candle, so it is now like this candle keep increasing high, but the next candle now is now lower. You know that there is change in direction. What did you buy 2 candlestick, you leave the market. Okay, so that's good. Let's go to boom. There's no time. Boom 1000. I will only talk about boom 1000. Whatever I say that also works in boom 500. I don't have time. Please, if you like what I'm doing, please buy us a coffee by subscribing and sharing this video to thousands of people on your social network to subscribe to. Let me tell you something. If we are 1,000 subscribers now, if each of us that are 1,000 subscribers, we bring at least one subscriber, and those subscribers will bring another subscriber, you see that before you know it, we hit 1 million. The essence of hitting 1 million subscribers is so that the creator, which is among the creators of the channel, will produce more quality content to guide you to become Forex millionaire. So try to help the system to work, try to help the channel. So here you also, let's search for the levels. The boom is actually different from crash, so we have to do the opposite. So let me set the horizontal first. Okay, see how it works. Remember, in crash we use negative numbers, -20 and -23 horizontal level. So here we are using positive, +20 or 23 point something horizontal levels. Then you see that what we need here is the upper half. We don't need the lower half as in crash. In crash market we only need the lower half of the those letters. Please take note of that. But here we need the upper half. Okay, please. So you can see that these lines are increasing. This is the highest. Why do we say it's the highest? Like this one is the highest. See it? Then because this is the high, because the next candle is now lower. What do? You sell 2 candlesticks, you leave. You can see you sell this candle now, and then you will cash. You have made your profit. This spike will not even reach it, even if like something happened, maybe delay. You are going to make huge money, because this is a very strong sell zone, like swing point. The price is changing direction, so that's why I'm using those resistance level. Okay, so let's check another one. This is powerful strategy that really works. Let's check another one. I have not find. Okay, see this one here. You wait. You see this keep increasing. Here the equal length. Make sure you look for the length. Then the next candle, which is red. I think a signal is actually strong when the lower candle, like it's not candle, I mean line. The lower line is red for boom. If it is red, it's more stronger. For the same thing in crash, if it is green, it's more powerful. So here we sell 2 candlesticks, you close, and that's a huge deal. A lot of people will be saying, why not stay long? I'm going to do a special video on how to stay long using the same strategy, but with some additions to it. Okay, that's cool. Let me just find a trade. Okay, this is how the indicator is set up. You go to F here, then go to main charts, go to oscillators. Okay, we can't see it in oscillator. Just go to B. Williams. This is B. Williams. You will see awesome. This is awesome oscillator. Click on it. When you click on it, the line width, I use 2 peso. Value up is red, green. Value down is red. Levels 100 and 0. Okay, so you click on down, and I have already done that, which is, you see, that is it. You click on down, that's all. So let's feel the strategy and enjoy the profit. Remember to give your testimony in our Telegram channel. Okay, and also join our broker. If you are just a newcomer and just here, see, I want to watch this video, I like it, Now you are about to being a forex trader. You need a broker. Check down the description of this video to join our world accepted broker. Let's kill it. Let's make thousands of millions of dollars trading the forex market. Let's get it right. Condition here. Let's check Boom 500 so that you appreciate what we are saying here. Let's check it out if that is deal. Let's check. Okay, you see there is none because all of them are forming below the lower half. Let's check crash 1000 index. Let's check crash 1000 index. Okay, this is crash 1000 index. We just missed the opportunity. Oh no, we didn't miss any opportunity. You can see here that it has not touched our level, so we see it as a fake signal. We can't trade it. You have to be strategic for you to make money, guys. You have to have direction. You have to be focused. Don't do it anyhow. If you do anyhow, you are going to blow your guys. You see, this one is on the upper hemisphere. We can't trade it. You can't trade it, okay? You can't trade it. So we only need lower hemisphere that touch our horizontal line. So thank you, subscribe, hit the bell notification.